In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on blue light on your MacBook. As you can see, my MacBook is currently on right here. And what blue light basically does is it just puts a filter and makes colors a lot less vibrant, so it's better for your eyes and you can go to sleep easier. But how we actually do this is we turn on the night shift nightlight in the top left hand corner. You click on the Apple icon. Then from here, you just want to scroll down, go down to the system settings option, which is second from the top. It'll bring you to this pop-up panel like so, where all you need to do from here is you want to scroll down and find where it says displays right here. You just want to click on displays like I've done so here. And as you can see, you can actually change your font size, large text, smaller, but we want to scroll down, not do our brightness right here. Instead, click on the night shift option. Now doing so, you can actually select when you want this to be, whether it be sunrise, sunset, or you can do custom or turn it off. You can choose your hours. And then once you do that, you can actually turn on less warm or more warm depending on what you want for your eyes. Click done and it will be saved.